Hi there, this is Stuart Emerson and welcome to the Virtual Assistant online video training system. Today this video is going to look at the actual online training system itself, and if you look you'll see at the top left this is a system, if you like, that's built and owned by my company, and look down the bottom right of any web page you'll see that I am the owner, tech lead, biz analyst and lead programmer, and actually the visionary in terms of the structure and layout of the system, along with some other tech team and designers that we've used throughout the project. Now, there's two sections to log in. One is for login for existing users, and new students can register here just with their first name, last name, mobile, login email and password, and then go into the system. I've got my login, of course, so I'm just going to log straight in. Now, one thing to bear in mind, if you're a first-time person just registering, you'll get the e-learning intro, which is actually this video. Now, the main section of the training portal is really my video lessons. Let's take a look. Now, each section has a video, and for each video there's a matching lesson intro, lesson purpose, and there's a number of checklist tasks. The checklist tasks are about actually going through and reinforcing and actually applying what they've learned in the video. For example, this video here, if you like, is from my YouTube channel. I set up all the video training material. Hi there, this is Stuart Emerson and welcome to the Virtual Assistant online training video system. Today we're going to talk about Passback. It's really one of the best password management systems. I'll put that on pause, just bring it back and reduce it. But that video is about an introduction to Passback. So if I go over here, I've actually got the Passback tool set up, and what it is that the checklist tasks are about the virtual assistant students and going through setting up their Passback account and then beginning to store passwords in this expert like password management system that they use for their email, for their Skype, for their Canva account, and for say their freelancer account and so on. Go through, this is a more advanced video on Passback, on sharing passwords. This is a video on the Skype install and setup and actually using Skype. This is the installation, if you like, for OpenOffice on Windows 10. This is a introductory video about Office Calc tutorial, just setting up a spreadsheet with very good formatting. And this is more advanced. We've got the formatting, but we're going into graphing and customizing toolbars, doing pull down lists, and so on. So there's a whole range of video material here, and what we do with the checklist, well then I'm going to check off some of these checklist points. There's a lot of them, and I'll show you the next module, which is the analytics module. Alright, I'm just going to update. I think I did about 6 or 7 checklist points. Now I'll click on My Analytics. What we'll see with My Analytics is this is a real-time 3D graph analytics system. So it's just said I've checked off 70 of the checklist points. I've got 33 more to go. And in this 3D graph here of the checklist completed and incomplete, it's showing that the number I've completed, and it gives a 3D graph pie chart of where I am with that. Now the other section, what it does is talking about the exam results and checklist summary in terms of the exam results that I've currently got. So what it's saying is that you have to get 80% or more in 2 concurrent exams, your most recent exams, to then complete those module sets of the virtual assistant course. And there's quite a number of units to really fully complete the course. So we can see here is that 75% that's better, and here, if you like, no, it's terrible. They've only got 3 correct. So what it is, only 25% correct. Let's take a look at the exams. I'm going to go through and just put in some results here. Just choose some out, just to show you what happens with the exam results. Now it says I get 3 correct, if you like, from a possible score of 34. That's actually brought my average down, but you know that I was rushing. Go to the analytics, and it shows me my last result, 3 correct and 31 incorrect. Alright, so it's brought my percentage down very, very low, so quite a lot of work to be done. I'll go back to the video lessons. So what you can see is that with the main engine, there's quite a comprehensive course in terms of video material that can be watched over and over again. There's a checklist that really thoroughly tests going through the work items and the exams with loads and loads of questions, scores of questions on every set of units in the course. Then you've got My Analytics, which really helps you see where you are in terms of progress and what's left to do. Finally, we'll look at My eProfile, where it allows you to update your details, and as you set up your Skype account and Passback account and Upwork name, to put those in to allow easier communication as we move on later to the work. Now, of course, you can change your password for security reasons, and that's a good idea to do that. Well, that's the overview for our training platform. I've designed it and built it and loaded up the content on my YouTube channel. I hope you find it useful and interesting, and that it was an effective introduction, and I trust you register in and enjoy the training. Thank you for your time.